Take a piece of cord, this is just one length, and tie the ends together. Place your cord on the floor, and the bottom piece you want to pull up, and then you want to make a loop. On the X, place your pot. Take the top of your cord, put it on top of that loop you made, and then pull it through. You want these side loops to be about the same size. Now you want to pull this cord over, you're opening it up and laying it over top, so they're on the outside, so the cord's on the outside of these ones that you just made. And then you just want to pull those cords in behind and pull them up. I hope that was super easy to do and easy to follow my instructions. Let me know if you have any questions.